Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going, everybody? There's my stunt team. Guys, I picked up a bunch of new Hot Wheels cars to add to my stunt team. So the first one is this 94 Bugatti EB110. This one comes from P-Case, and this one just appeared at my Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree. Got in a P-Case with a bunch of nice cool cars from last year. So I picked this one up because I already have this one in the stunt team, but I didn't have the blue one in the stunt team because the one I have, I don't want to mess up. But now I have an extra one that can be part of the stunt team. So let me show you. Let's open them up and I'll start showing you my stunt team. Here we go. New addition to the stunt team. A beautiful blue Bugatti. It looks amazing. Are you sure you're up to the challenge? Mr. Blue Bugatti? Hopefully, yes. All right, here we go. Now the yellow one has a buddy. Stunt team. The stunt team is growing. Now, if I find another blue Bugatti for any reason, or another yellow one, I'll pick him up just to have a swimmer, because I have a swim team and a stunt team. Well, actually, they're all on the stunt team, but the swimmers are separate and the dry dock guys, gosh, I keep them separate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the ones that I get repeats of. I'll use one for smashing and crashing and one for swimming or jumping ramps that might have to, you know, like fall in water, or water will be involved. They will get wet. And I picked up this one, McLaren F1, which is also a new for 2021 last year. And so surprised to see these at Dollar Tree. Let me know if your Dollar Tree has P-Case also. P-Case right there, the letter P at the end, shows you what case it comes from. So if you see these at Dollar General, let me know. I mean, a Dollar Tree, not Dollar General. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, let me know if your Dollar Tree has P-Case. That'd be cool to know. Let's open this one up. And this one is going to be joined by the F1 in black. And here he is in a nice silver, metallic silver color. And this should be a pretty nice car to add to the stunt team. Oh, yeah. He's going to be just fine. Let's try him again so you can see that. There he goes. All right. All right, so we'll add him, and he'll be joined by the black McLaren. And I have one that's in the swim team. So I have a swim team, black one, dry dock, and now a stunt team in silver. Will this one be a swimmer or a dry dock? I'm not sure yet. For now, I think I'm going to keep him dry dock because I only have the one silver one. Don't want to mess him up in the water if I don't have an extra one, because some of them do freeze up after they've been wet. If you don't dry them properly, they might develop some issues rolling. Their axles will freeze up. So there we go. We have the yellow and the blue and the two black ones, and let's put the silver one in between there. And I'm also adding a Toyota 70 Toyota Celica. Also appeared at my Dollar Tree. So they had P-Case and N-Case. I was totally surprised because I didn't expect to find any more of these Toyota Celicas. But look at that. They had one each of those. And they had one Toyota Celica. So I was happy to grab this one to have him join the stunt team. And here we go. Check him out. Beautiful Toyota Celica. Great addition to the stunt team. Now, in the stunt team, I do have a few Toyotas, but I don't have a Toyota Celica. So he's going to be joined by the blue Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma. And these two Toyotas will be part of the stunt team. And not only the Tacoma, I do have another Toyota in the stunt team already, which is the Toyota Sprinter, the AE86 Toyota Sprinter. And this is going to be awesome. The Trano and the Celica. And let's see how they do on the ramp. Let's drop them down the ramp. Let's try the Tacoma. Ooh. Hope you were strapped in there, buddy. And let's try the Celica. Oh. Another flip. And let's see how Sprinter does. Oh, Sprinter landed nice and flat. I guess you're okay. Toyota Sprinter, Toyota Tacoma, and Toyota Celica now added to the group. And I do have an extra Toyota Sprinter, which is in the swim team. So I have the dry dock swim team, and then 2 more for dry dock for now. Pretty cool. I love that I found this Toyota Celica from the Japan import series. Very, very cool. And again, this one is from N-Case. N-Case, you can find it probably at your Dollar Tree. I mean, if I got it, probably some other Dollar Trees got them. Got the same assortment. Here's another one from Dollar Tree. The Mercedes-Benz 500E. And again, they only had one. The P. If they would have had 2, I would have grabbed one for the swim team and one for dry dock. But this one will be dry dock for now until I can find another one. And I already have 2 other Mercedes-Benz in the swim team, and I have 2 of them in the dry dock team. Check out this Mercedes, isn't that nice? And I got something off a rivet there. Oh, that doesn't matter, it's just paint. Nice, 500E, looking so cool. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, let's move this over a little bit. There we go. Look at that front end. Nice. Nice Mercedes in silver. It looks so good. Metallic silver. All right, and sometimes some of these old cars you can also, from P-Case or N-Case, whatever, or from last year, sometimes you can find them in the 9-packs. So I do have it in the white. There's the white, which is a Dollar General exclusive. You can find the white one only at Dollar General. And then you can find the silver one available at Dollar Tree. And the most recent one was the red one. So I do have a red one right there. So now I have a few Mercedes-Benz part of the stunt team. Let's move the Toyotas out of the way for now. And let's set up our new member to the stunt team right here. There we go. Added by one of the most recent members, which is this white and this white one. One is for the swim team. One is for the dry dock. And one of these goes in the swim team. And one of these red one goes in dry dock. Oh man, I'm so crazy, right? So crazy. A lot of cars, but I just love having the cars available to do some stunts. Let's see how the Mercedes does on the ramp. Let's try them out. Whoa. Not enough steam on that first red one. And let's see how this one does. Also came in kind of slow. Landed right on top of the other guy. And here comes the white one. Little more speed on that guy right there. And let's see how the other white one does. And he lands nice landing, actually. Really nice landing. All right, cool. So these are my new Mercedes-Benz that have been added to the stunt team. Got a couple of swimmers and a couple of dry docks. And then this one is definitely just a dry dock until we can find another silver one. Maybe, who knows, maybe I'll pick one up in a 5-pack or a 9-pack or a 20-pack. Who knows, who knows. And then I found this one. The Porsche 914 Safari was also available at Dollar Tree. It's from P-Case from last year, in 2021, so last year. And we're now in May, last week of May of 2022. Time flies, we're almost halfway through the year. And here we go. Porsche in white, 914 Safari. A really nice Porsche. Beautiful tamper work, number 21 on the side. Hot Wheels logo. Very, very cool. All right, so this guy is new to the stunt team. Let's see how he does on the ramp. Let's back off a little bit. And here he comes. Whoa! He crashed right on the Mercedes and flipped over. Hope you were strapped in. And he looks like he's doing okay. All right, that is so cool. All right, guys, so I have a bunch of new members added to the stunt team. Let's set up the new guys all by themselves. Here we go. So we have the Porsche, and we have a really cool McLaren. We have a Mercedes. Oh, we have a theme here. Silver, white, silver. And we have a Toyota Celica in the beautiful blue-green color, or kind of like an aqua color. Very cool. And we have a nice blue Bugatti, the EB110, looking so cool. Wow, what a nice bunch of cars added to the stunt team. Look at that. Nice. There they are, the new members of Marky's stunt team. This is awesome. I'm loving these, I'm loving these, I'm loving these. Let's put the nice blue in the middle. Let's surround them by silver, and then blue in the corner, and white over here. That looks nice. These look so awesome. The stunt team, the stunt team keeps growing, guys. Keeps growing and growing and growing. So awesome. So I'll have these jumping ramps, crashing into each other, doing all kinds of crazy things, whatever I can come up with, just having fun with my Hot Wheels. And I'm glad that I'm picking up extras so I don't mess up my really nice ones. I'll keep those in a case. Same ones, just an extra one. Keep them in a nice case so that they don't get messed up. And this is gonna be fun. Having some more cars in the stunt team. I'm just loving these cars. I'm so happy that I actually found some really nice cars that I actually like a lot. And not just fantasy cars at Dollar Tree. I was very surprised to see all these new cars there. New cars to the stunt team. I have them in my collection already, so they're not new to me, but don't play with them much because I try to keep them nice. But now I have an extra one of each to play with. It's gonna be so cool, so fun. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be coming back to you with some videos of the stunt team in action, hopefully. And let's see what I can put together. In the meantime, I'm gonna go hunting tomorrow, hopefully find some new Hot Wheels, some new Matchbox that I can show you. And if I find some repeats of cars that I have in my collection and it's something that I think I want to have in the stunt team, I might buy them just to have them, some extras for dry dock and some for the swim team. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.